Dear student, I am Mr. Abdul Halim from Patada Koira High School. Today I want to give you some information on the nomadic peoples or nomadic leading people. They are gypsy, river gypsies in Bangladesh. River gypsies in Bangladesh are having various problems. River gypsies in Bangladesh are various problems. First, Bangladesh is getting urbanized very rapidly. Dear student, Bangladesh is getting urbanized very rapidly. Gypsies people are losing their customers in urban population in our country. Dear student, their lifestyle is not standard. They are absolutely poor. They have no money, they have no land, they have no rights. Dear student, hence their income is small. Hence their income is so small. Secondly, most of the Gypsies peoples in our country, they have no good rights to lead up their life. Actually, same of us. Scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worst affected by global. Scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worst affected by global climate change. Am I right, my dear student? The unpredictable rain, storm, natural calamities, and drying out of rivers have made boat movement heavily restricted. Bangladesh is a riverian country. Our agriculture totally depends on our rain or rivers. Same as the Gypsies people lead up their lives by using a boat. They live on a river. The authority feels that river gypsies need help too. River gypsies need help to survive in the mainstream population. Therefore, the government is offering boating, rides, permanent housing, and bank loan facilities. However, their student, government tries to give up them some opportunity such as boating, banking opportunity, housing, bank loans, or support facilities. However, change don't come out overnight. They are totally unlucky. As a human, as a man, we try to help of them to change of their lifestyle. Dear student, as a good student, you have to cherish on your mind to help of the helpless people. They are also men. We should look after them when we get rain. My dear student, traditionally, river gypsies are used to water life. Am I right, my dear student? Traditionally, river gypsies are used to water life. They live on water. They have inherited from their forefathers' necessary life skill. They follow their forefathers' activities to survive in waters. They have no education and training to adapt to mainstream modern society. What a bad luck it is. Dear student, so the authority feels, the government feels the need to bring them under formal education and brought up on roaming boards. Therefore, they can't go to conventional school. And hence, dear student, mobile board schools are coming. Mobile board school are coming up for gypsy children. Dear student, they are also holy children. They have to get same of our children's rights, but they can't get the fundamental rights. You also know that some voluntary organization or NGO are running special school on boards to educate their river gypsies children in some areas. Dear student, we should do something for them. We should do something for them. We have to give up them or make mainstream society's peoples. They can lead up their life, same of us. Obviously, what a bad luck. In 1971, we got independence. Huge gypsies, rustics, rootless peoples live in our country. 80% of what then peoples lives on agriculture. Our lifestyle is not standard. We pray for God. In future, we can easily change up the system, and also pray for the government, the civil society, and the wealthy person should come forward to give up them some opportunity and change up their lifestyle. Dear student, you read of your textbook River Gypsy in our country nicely and meaningfully, and then you try to solve up some question. What are the main problems that river gypsies are facing? Why can't river gypsies children go to conventional school? Our children easily can go to school to acquire knowledge, but they can't. Who are running special school? Obviously, in future you will